everyone, in this video I will show you step by step how to sort and display your WooCommerce products exactly how you want. So let's get started. The first method is to change the default product sorting. This method applies to all the products in your store. This is WooCommerce default sort order. So this is our products page where we will see the changes. So go to your WordPress dashboard, scroll down to appearance, select customize, click on WooCommerce, select product catalog, and now here you can see that shop page. Find the default product sorting option. From the drop down menu, you can choose how products should be displayed. Default sorting, that sort products alphabetically unless manually reordered. Popularity shows best selling products first. Average rating displays products with the highest ratings first. Sort by recent lists the newest products first. Sort the price in descending order displays the lowest price products first. Sort the price in descending order shows the highest price products first. Let's select sort by price in ascending order. Let's check the changes. And now it is displaying products from lowest price to highest. In the same way, if I decided to sort it in descending order, it will display high price products first. This method will only allow you to arrange products in one way. You cannot have any control on it. Like you might want to show a mixture of products like popular product first, then the new product and so on. So for that purpose, this method may not be suitable for you. The second method is to manually sort your products. If you want a complete control over your products, you can manually arrange them. So before you start, to enable manual sorting, set default sorting to custom ordering in WooCommerce. If sorting is set to price, popularity or rating, drag and drop sorting won't work. So changing it to default ordering and published. Now to manually sort products, go to dashboard, select products, click on all products. Here click on sorting tab and now drag and drop the products to rearrange them in your desired order. Let's drag this headphones and place it to the top. Now this Apple iPhone, dropping it in the second position. Once you have finished changing the order with this method, there is no need to save or update. Just go back to your shop page, refresh it, and there you can see the order you have selected. If you prefer to assign specific positions, you can use the menu order option. Open any product and click Add It. Scroll down to Product Data. Here select Advanced. Find the menu order field and enter a number. For example, 1. Hit the Update button. Now refresh the page and now the product will appear in the specified order. This gives you the control you want, but if you have hundreds and thousands of products, then it might not be ideal for you because this means you have to sort products manually and it can take a lot of time. The third method is to sort products by categories. So from the products option, select categories. Add the category name here. I mostly have accessories and Apple mobiles and iPads, so let's create two categories. One Apple devices and the next accessories. Let's first create Apple devices and select add new category, and here our category is created. Now let's create a category for accessories. If you want this category to be a subcategory, then click on this parent category and select the main category. So this helps to create a parent-child relationship. Now the next step is to assign categories to the products. Select all products. From here, select products. From the bulk action, select edit. Since I do not want to edit them one by one, it can be time taking. Enter apply. And now from here, select the category we've just created, selecting Apple devices, save update, and that's it. Now, how to add these categories in the navigation bar? For that, go to Appearance, select Menu. Here we have our menu, and now click on this product categories and select the categories. Once done, select add to menu, rearranging it, save menu, and that's it. Now let's check it. Refreshing the page. Okay, so the categories are here, and now when I click on this Apple device category, it will only show those products that we have added in that category. Same goes for accessories. Customers can still sort within each category using this default sorting drop-down. They can arrange products from low to high price, high to low, or by the latest items. If they want to see all products, they can always click the shop page and sort products there as well. Now you know how to sort WooCommerce products like a pro. I hope these methods will help you to troubleshoot this problem. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos.